Hey guys, it's Holly from Cricut Craft Life, and today I'm going to show you how to use printable heat transfer vinyl. In Design Space, I've saved my design as a print and cut, and then I'll go to Make It. You want to make sure the size of your design will fit on a sheet of paper. After you tap Make It, it'll take you to the print preview screen, and you just select Print at the bottom to send to your printer. Then load your heat transfer vinyl into your printer. You want to make sure that it's the only sheet loaded so it doesn't grab any other sheets of paper. I use a Canon Pixma, but any printer will work as long as it's an inkjet printer. Then you'll put it onto your mat, load into your Cricut. Then your machine is going to read the registration mark so it knows where to cut on your design. Using your Cricut, you'll select the vinyl cut setting. And for silhouette, you'll use the sticker paper setting. After your machine has cut your design, you're going to just peel it away from your mat. Then you're going to peel away the heat transfer design from the backing. Place your design onto your shirt. And then use parchment paper or a Teflon sheet to protect your design from the heat. With a heat press, you'll press for 320 degrees for 25 seconds. With your iron, turn it up to the highest setting with no steam and press until your design is pressed into the fibers. Allow about 1 minute for the design to cool, and then peel away your parchment paper or Teflon sheet. For printable heat transfer vinyl, you'll want to allow 24 hours before washing to give the ink time to cure. And now with printable heat transfer, your possibilities for your projects are endless. So thanks for watching, and you can explore more at shopcraftables.com.